2010 Toyota Highlander 4-cylinder. Engine crank over, but it would not run. I hook up the speeds, RPM. I crank the engine over, and nothing. I am going to take the tire off and check the crankshaft speed sensor. Right there. I disconnected the wire connector, the crankshaft sensor, and found no damage to the wires. So I just installed a new crankshaft speed sensor and see what happened. Engine starts. So here's the old speed sensor, and this is a new speed sensor.